a peace agreement around 500 years ago, during the time of Thong Nok Bay. Thong Nok Bay was the chief of the bodyguards. Now it is this kind of, what is that? Kind of special army. Chief of the bodyguards of the king of the Jaintia people in Jantapur. So there was a meeting in Khatwi because there was a skirmish, a kind of quarrel, not between Khasi king and Karbi king, but between Khasi family and Karbi family. In those days, it is not one race against another race. It is not against one tribe against another tribe. It is not like that. It was only a local quarrel in those days. But our Khasi king and our Karbi king, they took seriously of this because we have been calling ourselves that we are brothers and sisters. Jari Jamai, they call it. Kind of words that they use. I am not so expert in those things, but my father used to tell me, and I wrote a book also on that. So we held a meeting already, and in that meeting, one oath was taken. We took an oath. I am not very expert in English also, to not appropriate word, but we took an oath that whoever instigates to make a quarrel between Karbis and Khasis, he and his family will come to an end. That is the oath we have taken already. And that we always repeat once a year. That is on February 11. Like last February 11 also, we made a kind of celebration there. We call it Kowe Baida. We used to put this tamul and pan in respect of the departed leader. This side for Borlai, and then Borlai Khairin, I think, Khairin, and that side, not that side. That side is Borlai Khairin. This side is Thong Nok Bay. Thong Nok Bay is on the Jaintia side now.